when I teach you all about these things, and as we get into the mechanical end, I'm going to use the most minimalist tools that I can use. The reason being, we're not all set up to work on these things all the time. I'm teaching you, my viewers, to be able to work on your own machines. And if you can't do that out of your tool roll and some supplemental tools, then that's a big enough job that would warrant a change in your vacation plans were you to have a mechanical mishap mid-adventure. So if you learn to use what you've got for tools, and will supplement, of course, you're going to see some tools that I use more often than others. That's probably worth something looking at. Good rule of thumb, if you're a new mechanic in the shop, you can borrow a tool once, but if you borrow it twice, you need to buy your own. It's going to be probably the same in this case. If you see me use it more than once, and you have that model of machine, you might want to have that tool that I'm using or a substitute. Less is more. The less money you spend on tools, the more money you got for fuel to go for a ride. See? Jesus. Maybe we need that on too. Maybe we need this cranked over, lighten me up like Mr. Fire Magoo. How's that look? That thing's fucking brutal. Making my eyeballs twitch. Fucking wah. Damn. Alright, that's it for that. And how long we in there? 3 minutes. Yikes. See ya.